o kumpare o kumare yung mga
Holiday,
politicians,
holiday,
di ba?
holiday, dahil
Whether
sa
or not
habagat.
involved yan, ano ha?
Maraming
And
salamat
in
po
the
sa
same
iyo,
manner,
Panginoon
aba,
Diyos, sa binigay
kung
mong almusal sa akin.
mga
Ayan.
niya,
Meron pong
problema ba yun
pansit,
na maging ninang
pansit.
siya? Why are
At
we
meron
tolerating
pang,
this?
ito po, ito, chocolate, chocolate. Yan. Tandaan nyo po yan, holiday ngayon. Matulog kayong maigi. O yung mga lasinggero, tumigil muna kayo. Yung mga waho, tonghit, tumigil muna kayo. Unahin nyo muna yung pagkain ng bahay. Kaibigan. Ano?
Marami kang nanamiha.
Salamat po, Panginoon Diyos, sa bigay mong almusal. O, kain na tayo, mga kaibigan. Mga politiko, kurap.
Base sa pagtatasa ng publiko, sila mismo ang magsasabi kung ibamumuhay mo ba ay ostentatious display of wealth. Ibabalik natin yun sa komunidad. So, pag tingin nila, mali yung ganong klase ng inequality, mali talaga. Kahit ano pa pagpapalik kahit pa sabihin na natin na kung nila yun sa law mga nepo babies and the fact na pinufluence mo siya at ayaw yun ng napakaraming mga Pilipino, hindi din po magandang tingnan. So kahit saan mo tingnan angulo mahirap i-defend.
And sabi nga nila, and the plot thickens. Maraming salamat, Miss Ash, and thank you for joining us this morning sa Balita Patan.
Salamat po. Ingat po kayo at magandang araw.
Okay, ito na. Isa pang report mula sa Senado. Update. Ilang contractors no-show pa rin sa Senate hearing. Narito ang balitang kumpirmado. Sigurado, Radyo Patrol, Robert Mano. Robert.
Sir Peter, cited in contempt ang tatlong presidente ng construction company na bigo pa rin na lumutang dito sa Senado sa kabila ng saksina na ipinalabas ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee matapos silang mabigo na magpunta sa unang pagdidig. Kabilang sa cited in contempt si Maria Roma Angeline Remando, ang presidente ng St. Timothy Construction Corporation, Yumil Villanueva, ang president ng Top-Notch Catalyst Builders Incorporated, at Edgar Acosta, ang president ng High Zone Construction and Development Corporation, pero may kinatawan sila. Pero ang sabi kasi ng mga senador, particularly na Senator Erwin Tulfo, hindi nila kailangan ng kinatawan ng kumpanya. Kailangan nila ay ang mismong presidente o mismong may-ari ng kumpanya dahil may mga itatanong sila na ang mga makakasagot lamang ay itong mga may-ari ng kumpanya. Kaya cited in contempt, ibig sabihin, kapag bigo pa rin sila na magpakita sa masusunod na pagdidig, ay magpapalabas na ng warrant of arrest ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Samantala, natanong na kanina ang Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board o PICAB sa ugnay doon sa proseso nila sapagkat kinwestiyon ni Minority Leader Vicente Soto III kung paano nangyari na ang construction firm ng mga diskaya na iba-iba pero iisa lang yung address. Sabi ng PICAB, particularly Executive Director Herbert Macento, hindi lumabas sa kanilang data na iisa lamang ang mga may-ari ng mga kumpanya ng mga diskaya at hindi rin natukoy doon sa PICAB kung ano yung naging effect dito doon sa mga construction firm. Ngayon, ang natatanong na ngayon direkta na ito si Sara Diskaya at pakinggan natin, Sir Peter, itong nangyayari sa pagdinig sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.
Ngayon, tapos narinig namin yung kwento sa television tungkol doon sa sinasabi nyo na napakarami ninyong kinita at ikaw nga sa DPWH to 2016 kayo nag-umpisa sa DPWH pero yung mga pinakitang mga sasakyan ninyo ay 2022, 2025, 2024 so lately yung matindi hindi po ba na mga income ninyo mga anong taon kaya sa tingin ninyo what year would you say that you were able to engage or be able to get projects from the DPWH for flood control projects? What year?
Yun nga po, nag-start kami makakuha ng pailan-ilan pero 2016 po onwards. Yes.
2016 onwards. In 2017, how much did you pay the BIR in your income tax?
Sorry, I don't have the data on me right now kasi I have an accountant that handles that. Or I can get it for you.
Yes, please. We request that we find out how much your income taxes were paid from that time, 2016 to the present. All right. Now, Mr. Chairman, in 2015, St. Gerard, which you also described, was suspended by the DPWH. In 2020, they were blacklisted by the DPWH. However, St. Gerard's pickup license was renewed and is valid from July 1, 2023 to January 28, 2026. For St. Timothy, which you also know, it was found out by the President that the 2023 Bulacan River project amounting to 96.4 million was deemed completed. Even in more than 200 meters of revetment were not built.
Hindi naman lahat sa
The St.
pinakita niya.
Timothy's pickup license was
Kasama.
also
Kaya daw
renewed
sila.
2025 to 2027.
Mga taga-Pampanga.
So, Engineer Takay, what is the basis for the renewal despite the issues in their previous projects?
Sir, Mr. Chair,
Engineer Takay, can you not answer? You're the chairman. Bakit ito executive director ang pinasasagot niyo na pinasasagot?
Yeah, the blacklist that was issued by the DPWH, Your Honor, has certain time limitations. So, once a notice that the project has been completed, then the blacklist is lifted. And PICAB actually limit of responsibility is we can only institute disciplinary action upon a complaint or a verified violation.
Ibig sabihin, pag walang nagko-complain, sige lang na sige.
Mr. Chair,
That is the limit of our responsibility, Your Honor.
The IRR, section 4.2 states that disqualification under letter CA, involvement in any construction, malperformance of grave consequence, pick up under this section, hindi sila, are they not disqualified in renewal?
The blacklist, Your Honor, is issued by the DPWH. If the blacklist is lifted by the implementing agency, then their licenses can be renewed. However, we also have another mechanism that if there is a verified complaint or complaint from the LGUs or from the implementing agency, then we hear the case and then apply the penalties that are commensurate to the offenses that are being committed. For example, Your Honor,
Sarap, bigay ng Diyos. Amen.
the donor
That's good.
reports to us a
that,
lot of infractions that are committed by
Kaibigan.
contractors, such as
Kurap,
unlicensed
kurap,
contractors
kurap.
implementing construction
Politikos,
work,
kurap.
unsafe practices
Kurap na
resulting in
naman
the death
dito,
of
gordo.
people in
Pasko
the
na naman.
workplace, and we ask
Mucho.
contracts immediately. In fact, Your Honor,
Mucho.
we submitted upon the request of the BIR.
Paano yan, kaibigan? Holiday na naman dahil sa abagat.
Our transmitter.
Yan ang magandang humingi ka na naman ng budget. Mga politikong kurap-kurap. Lumulubog po, pahingi naman ng budget.
Construction.
Lalay.
And when
Kurap bursa. Isa. Konting bakal, konting bato, konting simento, konting lupa. Bilyonaryo! Ito yung kaibigan ni Jesus, Brother Manny Bautista.
we will
Senior Citizen 64, stroke nurse, 6 years at PWD. Dahil itong tuhod.
and we have communicated
6 years. Thank you for watching. Like and share. At ishare nyo po sa iba. Ishare nyo sa politikong pura-pura, politikong pura-pura, pura-pura.
and alone we are the church of submitted
Thank you for watching. God bless us.